Chefs, are you enjoying cooking with your chef BFF here?
Yes!
Come here, this guy.
Get ready to hit your stride in our Friendsgiving entree round. Open them up.
Oh,
God.
Ooh, how about this?
What is that?
Now you've got to brainstorm what to do with a turducken dog,
Oh, it's a Thanksgiving hot dog.
a thanks dog.
Thanks, dog.
honey nut squash,
Oh, cuties.
All right, cool.
All right, that's a good one.
turkey breast,
Turkey breast. Oh my gosh. Ooh, okay, good.
Green bean casserole. Mac and
Something that
cheese.
your mom made.
and a broccoli and cauliflower gratin.
Yeah, it's broccoli. So there's a lot of cheese.
Okay.
Oof. I don't know about this one.
Okay, I'm intrigued.
Judges are expecting a main course worthy of a Thanksgiving feast in 30 minutes. Clock starts now.
Cool.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go.
Friendsgiving.
Should we do a tostada? Actually?
Yes.
Yeah, let's tostada.
Yes.
We are making a turkey and turducken sausage tostada.
We're making a cabbage farci with all of the turkey, a puree with the gratin thing, and diced honey nut squash. It's gonna be great.
Gosh, oh my gosh.
Nettie and Robin, what are you guys making?
We're getting an herb-crusted turkey going, a squash puree, and lots of butter.
Chef, just under 5 minutes to go here.
We start slicing into this roll, and we realize it's slightly undercooked.
I'm so under.
So we get into a saute pan to finish cooking it.
Oh, no. That's gonna screw up that force meat. Like, it's so
no,
gentle.
it's gonna make it tough.
All right, less than 2 minutes to go, chefs.
Check all 4 ingredients, chefs.
Oh my gosh.
Come on.
Nettie and Robin look like they're on a time crunch.
You fix the sauce. Firstly. Yep, I got some. I'll chop it for you in 1 second.
Let's do a glue and then sauce on the tostada.
Okay.
All 4 ingredients. Make it beautiful. Make it delicious.
What else do we need? Brussels sprouts?
Yeah, no, just leaves. Just leaves, that's it.
Coming up on 1 minute, chefs. Let's go, chefs,
Okay,
on the
come on,
plate.
chefs.
Here we go. Let's go.
Come on, chefs.
Behind you.
Calvin and Max have begun drinking.
I can't. You know what? If that dish better be perfect.
It absolutely is.
Okay.
Chefs, get those Friendsgiving
All right,
entrees
come on,
in
chefs,
order
come on.
here. 10, 9, 8,
Here we
7, 6,
Okay,
5,
here we go.
Get it done,
4,
chefs. Come on.
3,
Oh my
2,
gosh, oh my gosh.
1. Time's up. All right, chefs Calvin and Max, what's our entree here?
So we did a cabbage rolled turducken turkey farce over a Brussels sprout, pancetta, and honey nut salad with a broccoli cheddar gratin puree.
Chefs, there is no question that you work in fine dining. This is a beautiful plate of food. There are definitely some smart elements on this dish. The sauce is quite velvety.
I love the puree of this broccoli and cauliflower gratin. It is silky, it's voluptuous, it's sexy, it's really, really good. The salad that you made with the honey nut squash, also total home run. But this force meat that you made is desperately seeking salt.
I agree with Chris also that the force meat that you have wrapped inside that cabbage, it needed flavor development. You needed to add things to it. But the little touches are really clever, and I love this kind of cooking. I really do. I think it is heartfelt and soulful.
Calvin, Max, thank you.
Thank you.
Next up, chefs Angie and Emma.
Today we prepared a turkey tostada. So there's turkey and the turducken sausage in there with a sauce pipián, the radicchio slaw.
Chefs, I feel like you've developed really good flavors here. I like the texture of the tortilla that you fried. I like the addition of the greens, the radicchio and the herbs, the parsley in particular. The turkey bits are good, but they're slightly overcooked.
The layers of flavor is where I get my joy in this dish. The crema, I think, was a really nice touch, but I feel like the double layer of the pipián sauce, you get a ton of heat.
The heat is coming in reverse. You should get the heat at the end and get a whole bunch of flavor at first. And instead, you're getting heat, and it's just really knocking out the flavors you want us to get, especially that squash. But what you guys tried to do here, layering flavor and making a complex sauce, should be applauded.
Chef Angie, Chef Emma, thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Chefs Nettie and Robin.
We like to cook a little more comfort style, so we'd have a pan-seared turkey breast with a honey squash puree.
Yeah, we wanted to like sort of echo Thanksgiving, so we wanted to make a stuffing cake out of the gratin.
What does the word Friendsgiving mean to you two?
Memories and moments is all we have in this life. Friends become family, and I think gathered around the table with food, you're making those moments and memories, and that's everything.
This looks like Friendsgiving on a plate. I think you really lean into that. I love that you're embracing the theme. Little misses here and there, it, prevents me from loving it. And that is that the turkey is very dry. The stuffing cake, I love. I love the concept, I love the flavor, but I think that you should have taken the time to like chop up, because I've got giant pieces of broccoli.
The crispiness that you got on those cakes is delicious. That's my favorite part, all that crispy bits. The inside is a little heavy.
There's a lot of flavor development here. There's a lot of caramelization. There's the sear on the turkey itself, the toast of the cake that you created also. It's a good plate of food.
Chefs Nettie and Robin, thank you.
Thank you.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chefs Nettie and Robin, you've been chopped. Judges?
Chef Robin, Chef Nettie, we wanted you to come here with someone you love and cook your hearts out, and you did exactly that. But your turkey was a little bit overcooked, and so we had to chop you.
Well, we love being here, so
Thank you
thank
so
you.
much. Thank you so much.
I'm gonna hug you.
I need a hug.
It's great to see you.
Corey, Eileen, at the end of all this, there's a $10,000 prize for the winner. Are you thinking about that at all right now?
Oh, that's what I'm thinking about.
That's all I'm thinking about.
One more basket to contend with. Open them up.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh,
And the sweet ending to your Thanksgiving meals must include caramel apples.
apple? Caramel apples. Not so sure about the caramel on the outside, but I can definitely do something with the apples underneath.
Turkey gravy mix.
Turkey gravy mix. It's powder that came from turkey somehow.
Pomegranate seeds.
Pomegranates.
Some kind of a cocktail.
And a pumpkin martini.
Yummy.
30 minutes to crush the final round. Clock starts now.
So for my Thanksgiving dessert, I'm gonna make a caramel apple cake with a pumpkin ice cream.
So I'm making Thanksgiving crepes filled with apples and pomegranates, served with a pumpkin martini whipped cream. My apples aren't cooking down. I want them to be the consistency of an apple pie filling. So I cut up my apples a little bit smaller, turn up the heat, and I just hope this is gonna work out the way I want it to.
And here's your 2-minute warning.
The final element of my dessert is this cognac whipped cream. I take some extra heavy cream, sugar, and some cognac, and I just put it in the mixer and let it go to work. My vanilla sheet cake is done, and it's time for me to start plating.
I gotta start plating. Still a little nervous about the filling, but I know my crepes are spot on. I grab cinnamon, because I want a little bit of color on top of that white whipped cream.
All right, cooks, final seconds of the final round. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
It's over. Great job.
Good job, guys. So I look over at Corey's cakes, and they seem a little flat. I look over at my dish, and I see this beautiful crepe. Okay, I got this.
I look down at my plate, I see a beautiful dessert, but more importantly, I see $10,000.
Corey and Eileen, your dessert baskets contained caramel apples, turkey gravy mix, pomegranate seeds, and a pumpkin martini. Tell us all about it, Corey.
All right, chefs, today I made for you a caramel apple cake with pumpkin ice cream, pomegranate glaze, and a cognac whipped cream.
What kind of cake is this?
It was supposed to be just like a plain, like, vanilla sponge cake.
It's not very spongy,
No.
but the flavor is really good. And utilizing that pomegranate syrup on top of the ice cream is also very delicious.
Thank you.
Yeah, so where did you end up using this gravy? In the caramel?
In the caramel, yes.
I gotta tell you, that salty bits and pieces that I'm getting with that gravy worked out really well.
Thank you.
I totally agree. I love the caramel. I did get some pieces which went beyond to it being burnt caramel, and it's pronounced.
Okay, Corey, thank you.
Thank you.
Finally, Eileen, please tell us about your dessert.
So what I've made for you today is an apple and pomegranate Thanksgiving crepe with a pumpkin martini whipped cream, dusted with a little bit of cinnamon.
Where did you use the turkey gravy mix?
I used the turkey gravy mix with the apples and the pomegranate to try to thicken that sauce a little bit.
For me, it just doesn't feel like the turkey gravy is coming out enough.
Okay.
But I have to say that we sit here a lot and we don't see crepes turn out this well every time.
Thank you.
What I really wish you had done is cook down these apples with the caramel and made them a little softer.
Okay.
The problem with the apples is that it's in between. If it was raw or if it had been completely cooked, it would have worked. What I really appreciate about this dessert is that it's not overly sweet. The whipped cream has just the right amount of sugar, but you still get the pumpkin martini, and I think that works beautifully. Great job.
Thank you.
I agree about the apples. I really like the whole pomegranate, and I think your crepe is wonderful.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Eileen, you've been chopped. Judges?
Eileen, this was close. Unfortunately, there were a couple mistakes. In the main course, the turkey piccata that you made was very good. Unfortunately, we felt the white wine just didn't cook out. And then in dessert, I mean, you did a great job. If those apples had been cooked down a little bit more, that would have really helped. And so we had to chop you. But I'm sure that all of your kids are extremely proud of you to be here and to represent teachers all around the country.
And that means, Corey Hayward, you are the Chopped champion. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Looks like Feeding Young Lives Locally is going to get a nice little cash infusion. That's exciting. Chef Greg, Chef David, Chef Lee, on Thanksgiving, turkey is king. I bet you can guess at least one thing that's in this basket. Go on and open them up.
Whoa.
And there he is, a whole turkey.
I've never really butchered a whole turkey. It's definitely overwhelming.
You also have leeks, breakfast sausage, and Queen Amman.
The Queen Amman reminds me of a croissant / donut. As soon as I see it, I think stuffing.
45-minute turkey round. Time starts now.
I'm making a deep-fried turkey breast with a turkey stuffing meatball and cranberry orange gravy. I want my gravy to be different than any gravy that they've tasted.
I'm going to make a cumin, cardamom, cinnamon turkey with pistachio date rice.
I'm making a deep-fried turkey breast with Queen Amman and breakfast sausage, spoon bread, stuffing, and a quick pan gravy.
Chef's less than 5 minutes on the clock.
As time is running down, I think about my gravy. I grab some beef stock, I throw some butter, but it's not thickening, so I think cornstarch will do that.
To make my gravy, I use the same pan that I created the stuffing in. I add some butter, make a roux, pour that turkey stock in the roux until the sauce is at the right consistency. I'm looking down at my turkey. The skin is crispy, it's cooked through, it's still moist.
35 seconds.
Lee does not even have her stuffing on the plate.
Come on, you
It's
gotta
over on the
hustle here.
15 seconds.
Got to get it all on the plate, everybody. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Get everything on there.
3, 2, 1. Time's up. Chef Lee.
I made a twist of a Mediterranean South African Thanksgiving. So we have sweet leek sausage stuffing, and then turkey rub with cumin and cinnamon on parsley tahini sauce.
You've reinterpreted the turkey dinner in a very new and different way for us. Turkey with the tahini, I think it's a nice combination.
I was worried about your tahini sauce. You cut it with enough acidity that it really does work with the turkey.
Your turkey's cooked nicely. I like the spice on it, it's unique. I think the stuffing needed more of the Queen Amman, it needed more breadcrumb. The fat level is high on it.
And then you were rushing to get this sauce made and thickened. We saw you dump a fair amount of cornstarch in that probably didn't have much time to cook out. It's not all that great.
Okay, Chef Lee, thank you.
Thank you, judges.
Chef Greg, please tell us about your entree.
Judges, I've made for you a deep-fried turkey breast with a stuffing meatball and a cranberry orange turkey gravy.
Very creative that you made the stuffing meatball. And I like the fried leeks that you did. I like the skin on the turkey, but it's a touch dry.
I find the white meat of the turkey to be too dry. I don't think it needed to go back in the oven. It oftentimes turns out just perfectly from the fryer. I actually like the turkey meatball a lot. With our dessert pastry in it, it's very nice.
I think the sauce for me is the hard part. It's not yummy. It's okay, but it's not great.
It has a nice cranberry flavor, but it's just a little sweet. I want something a little more savory with this, more of a traditional gravy.
Thank you.
Chef, why do you want to win this competition?
I'd like to expand my kitchen. We're a very small restaurant, and we need more space.
How many seats do you have?
38. We'd like to serve and please more people.
Okay, Chef Greg, thank you.
Thank you.
Finally, Chef David, what do we have?
It's a deep-fried turkey breast with the Queen Amman and breakfast sausage, layered spoon bread, turkey crackling, and quick pan gravy.
Why would it mean something to you to win this competition?
You know, for me, I'm here representing my grandmother and my ancestors. Southern food, soul food, was created by the hands of slaves. They have never gotten the recognition that they were due.
Any thoughts on what you might do with $10,000?
My wife and I have been researching our ancestry that leads back to Africa. So I want to take her and eat a bunch of African street food and then bring that back and add it to my repertoire.
Oh, that's so fantastic.
I love deep fried turkey.
This is delicious.
Isn't it great?
I can't stop eating it.
It worked well. Maybe a minute overdone, but seasoned well.
Took my cues from the last round by not adding enough salt.
How did you make your gravy exactly?
Well, I took some butter, flour, made a roux.
Rocking out a roux right here was perfect. It's got that thick, buttery richness, which goes really well with your spoon bread.
Thank you.
All of these flavors are totally nostalgic Thanksgiving flavors. But I do think the spoon bread just needed just a little more fat in there.
Nobody wants to leave our Thanksgiving competition before the end, but one of you must. Chef Greg, you've been chopped. Judges?
Chef Greg, we liked the cranberry sauce that you gave us, but savory gravy would have been better, and we felt that the turkey meat was a bit dry, and so we had to chop you.
I'm definitely shocked. Nice to meet you as well. I never thought that dish would get me chopped. I put out my best. It's the way the cookie crumbles.